Hey, what's up YouTube? Making a quick video here for a tool review. I'm super excited about this latest purchase. I haven't even had the chance to really use it, mostly because it's 26 degrees here in Pittsburgh, but I got this VEVOR retracting air hose reel. It goes up to 300 PSI, it says here. I'll try to find the stock image for it on their website so I can post it somewhere in the beginning of my YouTube video introduction here, just so you can see which one it is. Had to mount it on a wall here. It's super heavy. Had some issues actually, but eventually did find the original studs in the drywall, so I was able to mount this board here, which I believe it is maybe an inch. Now I would say it's about 3/4 of an inch plywood. That is what I ended up screwing in with some lag screws into the actual drywall, and then use some lag screws to also bolt in the actual backing plate for this. But I'm super excited about this. This is the 65-foot version, and it's the 3/8 width hose, so it's a 3/8 65-foot, rated for 300 PSI. It did come with the ends on it, or with it, to install. Also came with this other hose here that I have running up behind there that connects into there, so I just kind of ran it down there behind the toolbox and got that hooked up to my DeWalt air compressor. So you can basically just go ahead and pull this thing out, and then you stop and it locks, and this will be great for going out in the driveway. And then you just carefully reel back in. It has this little stopper, which I believe is adjustable. You can move it and put it in different sections, so it comes with a little quick connect. Came with something else too, but of course I have no idea what I did with it. Came with a little spray nozzle, but like I said, I would show it to you, but I sat it somewhere that you can also hook up for to it as well if you ever decide to do that. I already had one, so it didn't really matter to me. It wasn't that important to me, but like I said, I want to say I got it on Amazon, I want to say, and I believe that I got it for, it was like $104 after tax, because it was on sale, and I got it on Amazon. I was going to get it directly from VEVOR, but I found that for whatever reason, I guess after the fact, it ended up being cheaper to just simply go through Amazon and get it. So that's actually what I ended up doing. But like I said, it does come with a little blow nozzle that I would love to show you, but unfortunately, I have no idea what I did with it. So with that said, I hope this video helps somebody out. Like I said, I really haven't had the chance to use it yet. I'm super excited about it. Keep in mind, this company did not pay me to make this video. I just simply bought it with my own money, and I'm going to try it. The other thing that's noted too is this is adjustable, so you can take out, loosen this screw and take this screw out, and this whole thing can pivot in different directions. So like if you were mounting this from like the ceiling, for an example, you could probably make this so it's pivoted directly this way, so it puts less strain here on these little rollers on the hose, you know. So I have it at this angle, which I moved it. It was like this, but I moved it this way because I'm going to be usually pulling downwards. So but yeah, like I said, super excited. Seems pretty sturdy. It's super heavy. Make sure you mount it good. It does come with a little instruction manual here that gives you some very rudimentary instructions for mounting it. I believe the fasteners that it came with, I believe these are for going into concrete, but I could be wrong. I didn't end up using them. I just bought some lag bolts at the hardware store just so I could mount it to the wall and get it going. So like I said, I don't know what I did with the spray nozzle for it, because I was going to show it to you, but just believe me, it comes with one. This is the box that it came in here, so pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, like I said, check it out if you're interested. I'll let you know if I have any problems with it. I don't anticipate it. I already hooked it up and filled it up with air. I had no leaks. I'm just running my DeWalt 30-gallon air compressor. It's rated for up to 155 PSI. So I haven't had any leaks with it, but I also haven't really used it yet, so I'll let you know, when spring and summer gets here, once I start using it. If I have any problems, I'll definitely report it. So other than that, I hope this video helps somebody out. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, I would recommend it. It definitely is going to keep me much more organized instead of having just a random hose laying all over the floor. So once again, I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's tool review.